كان فيه كما يحب ربنا ويرضى والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء وإمام المرسلين أما بعد جيوتو أسوبيزا okulaba ennyukuta zino amannya gaazo n'obubonero kakati wano bwe tutaagala kulekera buli omu amakulu kasita oyiga ennyukuta zino buli kimu kyonna oba okiyize kasita oziyiga ennyukuta zino buli kimu obeera okola ki okiyize kati ndoza sijja kuwandiikako buli kimu wabula tujja kutandikirawo ku alif kabonero ka alifu keeko ne tuleeta baau akabonero ka baau keeko mpandiika bitono oba byebyo birabika olw'egundi ndowooza buli omu alaba kati oba wasoma Oluganda oba Oluzungu weyambise zino naye nga bye bino baau kano ke kabonero kaayo then taau yeeyo netujjako thaau jim ha tuwandiika kano katono lwakubanga waliyo ennene haau then khaau olete dal dhal raau zai ndowooza buli omu aziraba sin shin swad ضاد ضاء ظاء olete ghain fa'u off kaf lam mim Nun. Waw. Ha'u. Netusembyayo ya'u. Wassalam. Naam, ndowooza ennyukuta buli omu aziraba. Tuzisomemu kati. Bismillahi rahmani rahim. Alif. Alif. Ba'u. Ba'u. Ta'u. Ta'u. Tha'u. Tha'u. Jim. Jim. Ha'u. Ha'u. Kha'u. Kha'u. Dal. Dal. Dhal. Dhal. Ra'u. Ra'u. Zayu. Zayu. Sin. Sin. Shin. Shin. Sad. Sad. Dad. Dad. Ta'u. Ta'u. Dha'u. Dha'u. Oin. Oin. Ghain. Ghain. Fa'u. Fa'u. Qaf. Qaf. Kaf. Kaf. Lam. Lam. Mim. Mim. Nun. Nun. Waw. Waw. Ha'u. Ha'u. Ya'u. Ya'u. Alif. Ba'u. Ta'u. Tha'u. Jim. Ha'u. Kha'u. Dal. Dhal. Ra'u. Zayu. Sin. Shin. Sad. Dad. Ta'u. Dha'u. Oin. Ghain. Fa'u. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Nun. Waw. Ha'u. Ya'u. Bw'ozaatula wano bw'ogenda n'okusoma Qur'ani. Bw'oba ozaatulira awo mu nnyindo era bw'ojja n'okusoma kiki kasita oyiga ozaatula bw'otyo ne Qur'ani era ojja kuba ogyatula. Tolaba waliwo omuntu asoma Qur'ani ng'owulira alikkiriya asoma buli kiki, ne wabaawo asoma naye ng'owulira ng'awuuna obuki. Kakati fulumya eddoboozi olabe ng'oyatulira ddala ekintu nga bwe kikola ki bwe kiri. Bismillahi rahmani rahim. Alif. Ba'u. Ta'u. Tha'u. Jim. Ha'u. Kha'u. Dal. Dhal. Ra'u. Zayu. Sin. Shin. Sad. Dad. Ta'u. Dha'u. Oin. Ghain. Fa'u. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Nun. Waw. Ha'u. Ya'u. Tusomerwa mu ffenna. Bismillahi rahmani rahim. Bismillahi rahmani rahim. Alif. Ba. Ta. Ta. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Dhal. Ra. Za. Sin. Shin. Swad. Wad. Twa. Wa. Ain. Ghain. Fa. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Nun. Waw. Ha. Ya. Tuddemu omulundi. Bismillah. Bismillahi rahmani rahim. Alif. Ba. Ta. Ta. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Zal. Barakallahu fikum. Now, as yesterday we said, we are going to look at these letters as per the name and then the symbol. Alif stands for the name. Then this is the symbol. We have two. Name, then symbol. This is the symbol that represents Alif, as you are seeing. Alif, that is the symbol. Ba'u, that is the symbol. Ta'u, that is the symbol. Tha'u, that is the symbol. As you are seeing. Tusome mfe now, we read together. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha'u, Jim, Ha'u, Kha'u, Dhal, Ra'u, Zai, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta'u, Za'u, Ain, Ghain, Fa'u, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha'u, Ya'u. Now, this is where each and everything is. If you were to recite the Quran or to learn Arabic, you must know these letters. And that one can't be taught to you how to get them. It is you now to start sitting, take time. That this is Tha'u, Jim, Ha'u, like that. Because use these names. And then you get to know the symbol. And as time goes, make sure that you do away with the names and you remain with the symbols. Because the Quran is in Arabic. Effort for that is yours. Give it time and master all these. Because from here, we are going to make a pause for only 2 days. For you to master these what? Letters. That means, inshallah, on Monday, we shall now go to something else. What else? Seeing these letters in different positions. Because this is the original position. This is the origin of these letters. But these letters differ from those of English. English letters, whether it is at the beginning or in the middle or at the end, it doesn't change. But in Arabic, a letter at the beginning looks different. When it is in the middle, it looks different. When it is at the end of the word, it also looks different. So, that is what we are going to look at, insha'Allah. Bear with us and keep with us. Don't get tired. Learning how to recite the Quran is compulsory to each and every Muslim. Wabillahi tawfiqi. Subhanaka Allahumma bihamdika. Nashhadu la ilaha illa anta. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wa salamun ala al-mursalin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wa alaykum salam wa rahmatullah. Hey. You are not seeing Hamza. Hamza is here. Hamza is here. Hamza is Alif. Sometimes. But you will find where Hamza is independent. But still, the sound for Hamza and the Alif are there. And other teachers say that Alif is not the one existing. It is the Hamza that does what? Exist. But all in all, we are after learning how to recite the what? The Quran. But Alif, Hamza, both serve the same what? Purpose. Allahumma, Allahu wa Rasulu, ya'alamu. Naam, Sheikh. Wa alaykum salam wa rahmatullah. This is Zayu. Eh? It was Zai. Okay, today I've used you. That is how it goes. Why can be recited Zayu as Zayu with you? That has no difference. We are after the symbol. Thank you very much.
الله أكبر الله